Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why the 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact Wireless has 3 buttons. So this mouse is made mainly for CAD designers, for people that do 3D designs or CAD designs, like architecture, for example, or modeling, whatever. And the middle button functions as the middle mouse button. And actually most mice in the market right now have the middle button, but on most mice, the middle button is the scroll. You just click on scroll in order to get the middle mouse click. And for users that don't use it often, it is just enough, but to make it more convenient for people who are CAD designers that need to use that middle mouse button a lot, this button functions as the middle mouse button. Also, if you click on scroll, it still functions as the middle mouse button. I'll show you an example, so let's switch to the computer. You can see right here, I have a website, right? And on websites it's easy to demonstrate. If you click on the scroll, then you can move the mouse like that to scroll. Of course, it's not the most important usage of the middle mouse button. In 3D programs like Blender or Fusion or AutoCAD, it has way more functionalities. But you can see that when I click on the middle mouse button here, it also does the exact same thing. Also, clicking on links, for example, I can click on the middle mouse button to open link in another tab, and I can do it with this middle mouse button as well. And that's basically it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.